Financial markets run on trust. Every trade, every transaction, every number on the screen depends on systems working exactly as they should. But those systems are no longer just being monitored by humans, they are being tested by machines designed to find their weakest points. Welcome to Perspectives, and today we're looking at how AI is becoming a new kind of threat to financial markets. You see, India's market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI as we know it, has issued a warning that brings this very concern into sharp focus. It highlights how advanced AI tools are now capable of identifying vulnerabilities across financial systems faster and at a much larger scale than ever before. Now, this concern is not just about efficiency, it is about exposure. These AI systems can scan complex financial infrastructures, detect weak points, and even simulate how those vulnerabilities could be exploited. And this is not just about cybersecurity. It's about scale, speed, and interdependence. Modern financial ecosystems operate across exchanges, banks, brokers, clearing systems, and digital platforms. Now, these systems rely on constant data exchange and real-time processing. Now, that interconnectedness is what makes markets efficient, but it is also what makes them vulnerable. AI changes how they are discovered. Instead of relying on periodic checks or human-led audits, AI systems can continuously scan networks, analyze patterns, and detect anomalies in real time. But this creates a dual-use problem, viewers. The same capability that allows institutions to strengthen their defenses can also be used to exploit weaknesses. It lowers the barrier to entry. Tasks that once required highly skilled attackers can become automated and scalable. But here's the reality. Even as these risks grow, financial systems are still not standing still. Institutions are investing heavily in cybersecurity, and AI is already being used to detect fraud, monitor transactions, and respond to threats in real time. So let's talk about how it changes the game. If AI becomes central to both attack and defense, the nature of financial security changes completely. It becomes a continuous race between systems that are learning and adapting in real time. Instead of static defenses, institutions need dynamic systems that can respond instantly. This includes real-time monitoring, automated patching of vulnerabilities, or coordinated responses across the entire financial ecosystem. There is also the question of readiness. Are systems designed for a world where threats evolve in real time, and can the regulation keep pace with technology that is constantly changing? Because in a system this interconnected, speed is not just an advantage, but it is also a risk. In the future, the challenge is not just building smarter markets, it is making sure they are secure enough to survive the intelligence that they are now up against. And that is all the time we have on this episode of Perspectives. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.